This skill is about pressure dressing that's in your IFAK. If you look, after you open it up, it tells you which side you need to place on the wound, which is going to be your big sponge. All right, so ideally, let's say we have a severe bleed here that's not necessarily life-threatening, but we want to get some pressure controlled on that. You're going to put your big gauze area over it. And then if you notice, there's some Velcro inside this dressing. And the reason for that is so that I can get pressure after every time I turn this dressing. All right. The advantage to this dressing over a tourniquet, let's say this is becoming too much pressure for her and I can see some color change and I don't want this much pressure, we can very easily back our dressing off but still maintain a decent amount of pressure on the wound to actually control the bleeding from that injury.